Somebody told me, bro. Somebody told me like, man, if y'all think WOOSKI crazy, who y'all think he got it from?
Yeah, he got it from me. Cause you used to see me doing all that crazy ass shit, coming in the crib with guns and shit. He used to be stealing them and shit, you know, taking guns outside and shit. I remember the nigga walked up on me with a big ass shotgun, and I'm like, man, he was a shorty. And I'm like, where the fuck you get that from? Like he said, I just stole this from the videos on 71st. I'm like, man, what the fuck is you doing, man? Like he always been bad, busting niggas' head, wrapping bike chains around niggas' neck. Like he always been that, cause you know niggas used to like try to play with him and shit.